Hey folks, I just wanted to give you a quick reminder on how it is to grab a picture from your video timeline on Premiere Pro. So I have Premiere Pro opened up. I am in the middle of a project here, and I've decided that I would like to grab a still frame of this particular picture, or I would like to grab a picture of this particular still frame. There you go. So basically what you do is you make sure you are down here and you are positioned wherever it is that you want your picture to be. Sure, this one will work too. And then you come over here to the little export frame. It looks like a little camera, and you click on it, bink, and it'll say, all right, what do you want to name this? And I'm going to call it Studio Pic. The format is in PNG. You can make it whatever you want, a JPEG, that's fine too. Yeah, let's change that to JPEG. It's going to drop it on my desktop. That's fine for me. I'll be able to find it again. If not, you browse and you put it wherever it is that you want it, and you click OK. And there we go. Now on my desktop, I have this picture ready to go. So there you go. How to grab a still frame from your video timeline on Premiere Pro.